You guys, today I'm going to be showing you ESP for any game. So it is the We Are Devs ESP right here. Except do not download. I don't like to download it from We Are Devs because every time it said virus detected. So go here, link will be in the description below, and go to ESP Unpatchable new. Download it, and I'm pretty sure it comes with a DLL injector, but yeah. So I'll show you that it works. So I'm just join Phantom Forces. Now, go ahead and open your DLL injector. Hold on. Let me just close out of that and out of that because I was just didn't. Okay, so go ahead and open your DLL injector.exe. Right here. So this is what it would look like unless you have a different DLL injector. You can use any DLL injector. I use this one. So we're in the game of Phantom Forces, right? Now go ahead and press select DLL and find We Are Devs wrd_esp.dll. Double click on it and then it should pop up right here. And then click on Roblox player beta.exe. So first I'm just going to deploy in, and then once you press inject, it'll say finish and okay, and then okay, and boom, as you guys can see, we have ESP right now. So it's white when you can't see them, and then it turns blue when you can see them. So there's people right here. Oh, they're on my team. Okay. I'm still kind of loading in. There's two different types of them. There's the normal one, which is solid mode. You just press F6 to turn it on, and then F7 is wireframe. And to turn it on and off, click on insert. I meant toggle, or no, insert, and then it should just turn off like that. And then just press it again, and it's back on, as you guys can see. Got him. Yo, someone's shooting at me. Gosh, I thought I was going to die. Oh, it's out of ammo. Whatever. Oh man, this guy's hacking hard. He has speed and infinite jump, I'm pretty sure. I don't know why, I really like this scope though. Barrel. What is? I don't know. Let's do flash hider. Laser. Green laser. There we go. And actually, I'm gonna change my weapon skin. Oh gosh, that is bright. Okay. Yes, I like that. Thank you. Oh great, it's green. It's so fine. It's okay though. Looks like, oh, that's a dead guy. I don't know. It still kind of detects the dead guy's body, but yo, bro, who's shooting at me? Is there an aimbotter in the game? Oh my gosh, Davis Nate. Well, I'm actually kind of hacking too. And this works in every single game. It's not just We Are Devs, guys. So what I'm gonna do, What the heck? Oh wow. I kinda want a sniper rifle. I might get this. Z point? What the heck? Dude, that actually looks kinda cool. Barrel, under barrel, other. Okay. I said dolphin. He's using racist dolphin. My gosh. Why do you keep asking him? He already said it. Does this thing have a suppressor on it? Boy, this thing sucks. Oh, and he just threw a grenade. You really think that I did not even... Did you really think I didn't even see that coming? Huh? Whatever. I need to take that suppressor off. Why do I have a suppressor on? There we go. Holy crap, dude. Where is he? Please. Thanks, dude. Oh my gosh. I almost died. I'm pretty sure Racist Dolphin only makes hats for Synapse. For Phantom Forces. Davis! No. No. Why Davis? Never mind. No! Why? There's Davis. My goal is to get one kill from him. Ah! I only have Weird Dev's ESP. Ah! Davis, why me? Have the X-ray though. No. Racist dolphin. Racist dolphin is way better. I used to have the first Jensen half, but I never got a login or pass. Maybe I got it. Fuck, so. Dude. Took a shot. Did these blow up? Oh man, I was hoping this would blow up. Well, yes, the link will be in the description below, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.